Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Rosehill Racecourse, and departing on platform number 2 for our Carlingford service, we have K86 departing for a Carlingford service. The stopping pattern is Camellia, then following by Rydalmere, Dundas, Tilapia and Carlingford. The set is K86. And K86 is just about to pull into Camellia, which is just about 200 metres up the track over there. Might as well give you guys a pan of the immediate area. We've got the Rosehill Racecourse just over there, and they're looking towards Clyde. This ticket machine is now decommissioned, which has been switched off 4 weeks ago. This machine is now no longer in operation. I'll try that. It's official, this ticket machine is now decommissioned. And I want to show you something a little different. Just underneath here, featuring the old Sydney Trains logo, which was in use until the late 2000s. Came in use around 2000 and retired only 7 years ago, featuring the old City Rail fuzzy L7 logo with a L representing the blue and the 7 representing the orange. There you go, this ticket machine is no longer in use. As I tested the buttons just now, the power of this ticket machine is now switched off. Might as well give you guys a overview of Rosehill platform number 2. See what it looks like. I'm doing this just to make a video a bit longer whilst I'm waiting on for K86 to return. Here's a footbridge over there, and that's south looking towards Clyde. Lot of gentlemen over there in the promotion prices looks overexcited, and there's a Rosehill station sign. That signal you see just over there, if I can get it to focus, that signal is PR 1012. This direction is looking towards Clyde, and I'll swing back towards the north direction. That is looking towards Carlingford. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We should have K86 returning to Rosehill for a Clyde service. K86 will be stopping at Clyde only. Leading power car you see 3580. Leading power car is C3552. I must take a quick photo shot of it here. K86 will be stopping at Clyde only. K86 is now departing platform number 2 for a Clyde service. K86 is stopping at Clyde only. K86 is the only train that will feature in this video, and it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.